Auto-tuning. The question comes, why I need auto-tuning? The answer to that is some VFD functions require tuning before selected. Now what could be the example of those functions? So we have auto torque boost and vector control. There might be other functions as well, but these in my experience are often required. But the main question is, what is auto-tuning itself? In simple words, it is measurement of motor characteristics. So during the tuning, VFD is applying some voltage and might inject some current. So in the end result, it will get the motor details. So as an example, details could be stator resistance, inductance, and few other characteristics, but we won't be going into further detail of these characteristics. And a final question, what if I don't do auto-tuning and use the functions mentioned? What will happen? Answer to that is the performance won't be good and could be even worse, which might create mechanical stress or underperforming motor. So special care must be given to the functions which require auto-tuning.